Very good afternoon to everyone, respected chief guest sir, all my teachers and respected parents. Myself Swam Sri Das of class 8, studying in Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya, Khalikot, Ganjam. Friends, as a part of PaddhO Academy, I want to say that what is PaddhO Academy? PaddhO Academy is an online platform where we learn spoken English very frequently. The teachers of PaddhO Academy are so honest. So friends, today my speech topic is science and its gift to a human life. So without delaying, let's start explaining our speech. So science. What is science? Science is a word that is derived from a Latin word scientia. Scientia means to know something new or to gain the knowledge. Means science means gain knowledge, and in science also, by using science we also gain some knowledge. Father of the science is Mr. Galileo Galilei, and father of modern science is Mr. Albert Einstein. So they are the very much inspirations for us for improving our science. They are father because they improved our science very much. So friends, we usually think that we cannot live without science, and that's correct also, because we can't live without science, and science helps in every moment of our life. Science is so important in our life, and we should learn science also. As we use science everywhere, like here also we use science in these mics, the cameras and the mobile phones that are the greatest things that we are using nowadays, and also the lights, cameras, and also the communication things like bus, bike, aeroplane, everything involves in science. So science is a very precious gift in our society also. So at last I want to say that science is a very precious gift given to us by the God. We should not waste science in making such bad things like bomb, etc. But we should utilize the science in many good ways. Thank you.